Let's make a keychain charm using printable shrink dinks. My silhouette portrait couldn't cut through the plastic, so I had to hand cut it. It was a pain in the derriere. Anyway, I forgot to record. So let's try again with this lunar mouth, cutting it out by hand. Now you can watch my soul leave my body while I cut this lunar mouth. The good thing is that my silhouette portrait did leave some cut lines I can follow, so it's not a good for nothing after all. And then I'm using this industrial blow dryer. You can use a regular blow dryer. As you can see, it's flying around. I recommend not using scissors to hold it down because look, it made a dent. Don't do that. No. Here I am putting the UV resin on top. Warning. Be in a well-ventilated area and use gloves when using resin. And spreading it around nicely, making sure that the resin is equally distributed all over the charm. Bringing in the torch to get rid of the bubbles, and no supervision required. After that, put it under a UV light for 5 minutes. That's how long it took to dry, and here you go, a nice little keychain. Adding the keychain hanging mabob, and if you're interested in anything I used today, is linked in my description. Thank you so much for watching, and if you learned anything today, subscribe, like, comment, and share. It'll help a lot. Thanks. Making keychain